This is Canva, free to use, free to download your designs. If you're not that great at doing graphics, but you need banners, maybe even a logo, takes a bit of time, or just a post for your Facebook page or your website, this is how you do it. There are templates, which is brilliant. So you can go into here, social media, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp statuses. It makes the banner the right size before you make it so that it will fit perfectly. So Facebook postlet. There we go. Create a blank. It's the right size. So you can import in some of these backgrounds or even a video, and they're free. When they've got this little logo for Pro, you have to pay. So what you can do is you can bring in just some of this stuff. So you could bring this into here. Then you could get some text. Maybe bring that in. Oh, that's a paid for one, so we don't want that. That's a free one. Put that in there, and of course you can change the page, you can change the colors, you can put it on a slant. I'm not going to show you how to use Canva, just how to get around it and how you can use it yourself. So you double click and you can change the text. So you make your banner, you make your image, and then share and download. PNG is good for web, as is JPEG. You can go down to PDF, so you can maybe send it off to a printer. Just beware of your bleeds and edges. But if you want to do a banner just for online quickly, for a monthly promotion, or thank you NHS or something, this is perfect. Share, download, download. It will now download it to your download folder on your computer. Just make sure you rename it once it's saved so you can find it later. Hope that helps. Please click subscribe down the bottom because I will be doing more videos on some cool tips and tricks just like this.